I like supermarket shopping because everything's in there are essential. I like warm. I hate cold. I want some changes. I might dye my hair or have a new tattoo in a second. But I don't know yet. When I have had it, I always try handstand. I thought the tiny bird was brought down from the tree last year in a hot summer. Put her in a paper box. Then feed water and food. The bird fled away after she recovered. Ain't got no sisters, ain't got no earth, ain't got no face, ain't got no touch, ain't got no God. Got my head, got my brains, got my ears, got my eyes, got my nose, got my mouth. I got my smile, I got my tongue, got my chin, got my leg, got my boobs, got my blood, got my soul, got my back. I got my stairs, I got my arms, got my head, got my finger, got my legs, got my foot, got my lung, got my liver, got my blood.